Again, our Pocket Bike Kids Invitational. This isn't their final race yet because they still have December 7. Kaya naman po. But anyway, they're still here at Tarlac Circuit Hill. We have 6 racers. We have 6 cutie Pocket Bike Kids on track right now doing their warm-up lap. And then after this, they go back to their grids and they will then start with the official race.
And so we'd like to thank all the parents who are giving these kids a chance to follow their dreams, no? And iba-iba pa to as far as Quezon, si Valentino is from Quezon pa and from all over the Philippines din. So let's see. 6 riders, 6 laps here at Tarlac Circuit here, short track. So when the red light is on, that means the race is on and armed, about to start. Wala nang gagalaw until the red light goes off, and there you go, it's on. And there you go, good start by Valentino Ternate, taking the outside lane whole shot, no? Whole shot meaning he was able to maintain the lead. Ayan, the green one. Alam mo, si Valentino Rossi is the siguro yung Perez ito, die-hard MotoGP fans. Valentino Rossi is the legend in MotoGP.
Oh, by that
world
name
champion.
alone, yeah. All right, Valentino Rossi definitely making name as well here at the Pocket Bike Kids Invitational dito po sa Tarlac Circuit Hill. As mentioned, that's a whole shot, meaning he definitely kept the pole position and still on first position. But we still have 6 laps of races to go.
So position is, we have Ternate, followed by bike number 11, Amory de Vera, then 6, Lawrence Aviles, 9, Leanne Supal, and 88, Ataris de Vera in 5th, and in 6th place we have Tristan Agbuya. There we go, Valentino Rossi completing the first lap. Tama naman, dati nag-umpisa lang si Valentino Rossi. Wala pang suit yan jacket lang at saka motocross pants I think. But now, naka-full leather suit na siya. So, hopefully, yun lang nga, pag lumaki agad siya next year, he has to buy another suit again.
Of course, but that is also to keep up with the name, the person that was named after him, Valentino Rossi. And Valentino Rossi Ternate still keeping up that lead with 5 or almost 4 laps to go.
Yeah.
Amory de Vera still playing at second with 2 seconds behind. 10 seconds behind po tayo. Lance Aviles. Nako, umakyat si Lance Aviles or kept up with on the 3rd spot.
Yeah, this is a battle for 3rd between Aviles and Supan.
With only 0.1 second.
Actually, this is the battle for 3rd on the screen. Oh, it's gone. But anyway, these are 6 riders, but we actually have groups 1, 2, and 3 representing different skill levels. Kasi kahit mga bata to, we wanted to give them equal opportunities on the podium. So, we segregated them according to their experience and skill level. So, we actually have 3 groups. Groups 1, 2, and 3. Ternate and Armory belong to the fastest group or group 1. And then group 3 are really the new greenhorns, the beginner riders. Yeah.
Group 3, we have Liana Supan, Ataris de Vera, and Tristan Agbuya. Those are our group 3. And belonging to our group 2 is actually Lance Aviles.
Yeah.
Only Lance is on our group 2. Still, Valentino Rossi keeping up or maintaining that first position at the moment with only 3 laps to go, ladies and gentlemen. Amory de Vera still 4 seconds behind, and 1 lap behind is Lance Aviles. Let's see maybe how many seconds difference po ang ating battle for 3rd for the podium, but we only have 3 laps to go. Nako, napakabilis lang po nitong 3 laps. Lance Aviles is 30 seconds behind Valentino. But again, we're looking at Valentino Rossi and Amory de Vera because Amory is just 4 seconds behind Valentino. Let's see.
Oh, look at that. Valentino Rossi is about to lap Tristan. But oh, there's a one rider there who crashed. But Ternate, I think, just successfully lapped Tristan Agbuya, our back marker. But we only have 2 laps to go. So, ibang-iba na po ang forma ni Valentino Rossi, no?
Yes.
So, malapit na mag-lead down, no? They're using pocket bike. So, Valentino Rossi is, I think this is, bike number 88. This is Ataris De Vera. So, kita nyo, I think that's why they belong in Group 3. You can easily see the difference in the riding skills. Look at Ternate. Is almost, kumbaga, expert sa pocket bike.
Grabe, parang
Very
hindi
smooth.
pang pocket bike kids, but
Yeah.
still, pocket bike kids, you are on screen right now is our leader, Valentino Rossi Ternate. Let's see where Amory is. Amory is actually 6 seconds behind Valentino Rossi Ternate. 6 seconds lang yan kung iisipin natin. Napakabilis lang, napakakonte. Pero no, on the racetrack, sobrang layo na po actually na 6 seconds. But still, these are our pocket bike kids. With this is now the last lap.
Yeah.
Last lap.
Valentino Rossi on his way for another checkered flag here at Tarlac Circuit Hill. If I remember, last time we were here, pocket bike, siya rin po yung nanalo. So, so he's about to get the checkered flag again. Here we go. Just the last corner. There go, overlapping again Ataris. And here we go.
And he crossed the checkered flag, and that is it for Valentino Rossi Ternate, taking home the first spot for the Pocket Bike Kids Invitational. Congratulations, that again is Valentino Rossi Ternate, bike number 46. Under Group 1 for our Pocket Bike Kids Invitational, taking home our first spot, followed by Amory De Vera from Herb X Angel DC Ray Moto Racing Team. Third placer, Liana Supan from Daryl's Motor D-Tech Performance Racing Team. Fourth place, Lance Aviles from Jabela Racing Team. Fifth place, Ataris De Vera from MA Racing Team. And taking the 6th spot is Tristan Agbuya from ADM Racing Team. Congratulations to all our Pocket Bike Kids. Grabe, what an opening salvo for our
Yes, and
Petron IR scooter.
of course, our group winners, we have Ternate winning Group 1, Aviles for Group 2, and Group 3 was won by Leana Supan.
Wow,
Is our,
congratulations.
Yes, it's
Yes,
Leana
it's
Supan,
Supan.
the Group 3 pocket bike winner.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
kids.
There is now Valentino Rossi is gonna take his victory lap. Congratulations. So after this, we'll just